Hello everyone. You might have heard about Yellowstone National Park where hot water fountains come out of the earth automatically. In mountainous regions, you might have heard about hot water springs where people pray and also take bath. Now you might think that where does this water getting its energy from? Now when the surrounding is that cold that people are shivering there and still there are hot water springs. So where is this water getting its energy from? Now let's find out. To find out we have to go deep inside the earth. The answer to this question lies in the core of the earth. You know that earth core is full of high temperature magma which keeps building up continuously by radioactive substances or by vigorous movement of tectonic plates. So when this extremely hot magma pushes the rocks above it, the rocks takes the heat from the magma and becomes hot. So when the underground water comes in contact with these hot rocks, this underground water converts into steam, and as this steam reaches the surface of the earth, boom happens. We either get such type of water fountains or water springs are formed. Now we can utilize the steam coming out of these fountains directly to form electricity. Now we know very well that if we somehow could rotate the turbine, we could rotate the generator and then we could get the electricity. So here we are getting direct steam, and in this case, in case of the geothermal energy, we have to produce no steam. Hence we don't require any external source. We can directly use this steam and take this steam to high pressures, and then we can release this high pressure steam onto the turbine. So when this high pressure steam will strike the blades of the turbine will rotate and hence will get our electricity. The major advantage of using geothermal energy to produce electricity is that the steam is being made naturally and we don't have to use any source to make the steam. So this is highly environment friendly. Its major disadvantage is that such type of geothermal hotspots are very few in the world. So it is being limited to only such hotspot, and we can set up the geothermal power plant at only such places.